Okay everyone, it's another haul. Today a new yellow envelope has arrived. Let's do a little wrist check. I'll be right back. Okay, today I'm wearing my 1967 Seiko 6217 8001, also known as the 62 Mas. This is Seiko's first diver. A really great watch. Perhaps one of the most underestimated, overlooked vintage dive watches around. I mean, I would challenge any vintage, Omega or Submariner to a head-to-head, because this is just a fine piece of both craftsmanship and horology. It is a beautiful watch that runs fantastically well. Anyway, that's what I'm wearing. Okay, so back to the main event. Let's unbox. Let's see what we got here. Let's get this. I don't even remember. I bought these watches so long ago that I don't actually remember what I bought. If I'm honest. I haven't looked back on my correspondence to really have a sense of what's going to be in here. I think DHL was in here. Yep, they seem to have been in the box, which is perhaps what they do. Okay, so let's get all these things taken out. And we'll line them up. And we'll have a really nice close look here at what we've got. Okay. I see bracelets. I like bracelets. Alright, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Let's have a look. Let's start over here. A bracelet. First one on a bracelet. Oh. Okay. What do we have here? This is a 1971 6139. This is a 7001. Oh, that's pretty nice, actually. It's really a nice looking watch. Case is pretty good shape. We got a couple tiny little marks, but otherwise, that's a solid watch. Oh, that's cool. Kind of this fishbone style bracelet. Looks original. Got a couple of extra links there, which is nice to see. Okay, so black dial, yellow accents with kind of a creamy lume. Really nice. Okay, so that's the first one, 6139. Let's go just what's next door. Oh boy. All right. I think this is going to be a cool one. It's starting to come back to me a little bit. Aha! Look at that. A proof 1970 6139 6010 kanji. This is really what it's supposed to be. That is really cool. Wow. The Bruce Lee with blue. Okay, I think needs a little cleanup. Hands need a little bit of help, but otherwise dial loom looks good. Good looking case. It's a little scuffed, but I'm not gonna complain too much about that. I really like this one. That is cool. Okay, 2-part sweep, original hand. Looks like the original, minute recorder. Wow, that's gonna clean up beautifully. Wow, that'll be a nice one. Okay, let's keep moving down the line. Aha, another. Ooh, look at that. Oh, what a weird crystal. Okay, well that certainly needs to get changed out, but well, that's a blue dial, 6139, 7002. That one's in good shape. No polish, original finish. Look at that blue and black with the yellow. English Roman. What year is this from? 71. I know a guy that likes to buy 1971 watches. He might be interested in this one. Probably already has one though. Original bracelet. Nice and fish spine. Looks good. Look at that pair. Black and blue. It's like a bruise. Only a lot better. Oh, that's cool. Resist text. Very cool. Alright. That's a couple of good ones right there. Now, what else we got? What else do we have? Ooh, I think this is going to be a fun one. Ho, ho, ho. Look at you. Goodness. That is cool. Something from Diney. 7015 6000 from 74. Good Lord, that's cool. Look at that case. Ha! Shrouded lug. Good brushing. That's a pretty one. 5 Sports bracelet. I believe that's original, if I'm not mistaken. It looks appropriate. Kanji Day. How cool. Look at that. Oh, I love it. What a wild piece. Green with that yellow hue. It's in nice shape too. Okay. Very good. Very good. What else we got? Ooh. Another kanji day. Alright, so this is a 6139 6012 with some interesting coloration here. Interesting. I wonder what happened with this one. It's a little weird. I think the hands are right. Just don't know about that color. We'll see. I might have to retint. That's a cool one. Look at the variations that you can get in that case design with the dial and hands. That's pretty amazing. That tacky ring is nice. 2 black tacky rings. Okay, last but not least. Whoa, this one's got some weird stuff happening. But it's a fan favorite. Look at that, another 6010 maybe? 6012? This is a 6012. Yep. Very cool. Needs a little bit of work, but it's all there. It's correct. It's a later one, so no whoa, I'm not sure what's happening. Have to dig into this one. It's a little wonky. It seems that it doesn't have a palette fork or something. Regardless, I'd be interested to know what's going on inside of that one. Well, that is quite the collection. These are gonna make it to the website at some point. I can't hold on to all these watches. I have just got to sell them. So, pick your favorite, folks. I think that's my favorite right there. That blue dial. That's a nice one. I like the black too, but wow. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Visit the website. Give me some feedback if you like what you see. If you want to see more content like this and more sort of watch specific stuff rather than just doing my evaluations and restorations, I'd be happy to do it. I just don't know what people like. But thank you again for coming, and thanks for watching.